All right, so I haven't made a video in a while. Figure I should probably get working on the Mustang. I got these old era correct seat belts online. I'm not going to do a full restoration. I'm not interested in a perfect car. The car's not numbers matching anyways, but I would like to get these looking decent enough. So I'll redo the buckles. I will go through and clean up and then restain or paint, whatever is the easiest method here to get these back to black. And then I'll get these installed in the car. These buckles actually have restoration kits online, which will be nice. So I can get those taken care of. Hopefully a lot of this corrosion will buff out and at least leave them looking good. But we'll start by getting these washed and we'll get going. Let's see how it goes. All right, so the breakdown was actually pretty easy. This stuff is dirty. My hands feel filthy. These are trash, so I'm gonna get chrome ones. You can get kits to rebuild these. So I'm gonna chrome these. These are actually in good shape, so these will just get cleaned and repainted. The clasps are in good shape, and then these can all probably be reused. So I think I'm sitting in good shape. The only issue I see is some of these have a tag on them, and I'm not going to restore tags. I don't need to be. This isn't a concourse correct restoration. And then some of these don't look that great, so I'm going to have to take these down and buff them out quite a bit to get them looking how they should. Especially. This one is going to be sitting up top, so some of these need to be cleaned pretty good, so I gotta do what I can on those. So I'm going to let these soak overnight, give them a good clean, let them dry out, and then I'm either going to re-dye them or I'm going to repaint them. I've seen them both online with good results, so let's see how it goes. All right, well, round one washing is complete. They actually look really good just after the first wash. All these parts look great. should be good for fixing up. I gotta get this glue off, but aside from that, everything looks really good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go one more round of soaking, and I'm just gonna rinse off, let them sit for a little bit longer, and then I'll probably need a few days to dry, and then we'll get to the re-dyeing. All right, so we're boiling here. So you want to bring it down to just about boiling. I'm using 2 things of dye. Try not to touch it. Two cups of vinegar. All right, so we've been cooking for about an hour. Smelled up the house like vinegar. But I'm gonna drain this sucker and we're gonna rinse everything off and we'll see how it looks. All right, so that's it. All the hard work is done. The seatbelts really turned out great. They have a real dark black color to them. You can still see some of the imperfections just given the age of the seatbelts. These were 1969 seatbelts. They were original of that era. I don't know what they came out of. So it looks great given how old they are. These little flexy things that the shoulder harness uses to hang off of the little hooks probably need to be replaced. I'll check that out once I get everything installed to see how long we need to make these. I ordered new hardware from CJ Pony Parts. What the hardware that was in the car is old. There are a couple of the bolts that aren't original. It's just kind of pieced together over time. We got the chrome surrounds. These are just plastic pieces that cost quite a bit off CJ Pony Parts, but got them anyways. We got the little dime-sized button faces there. So overall, we're looking good. I'm going to give the seatbelts a little more time to dry, so those will be good to go. But we'll get these back together and reinstalled. All right, so that's it. I mean, everything came together really well. The buckles look really sharp. I mean, this looks perfect. The nylon looks great. Totally black. Like I said before, there's little imperfections here and there. Definitely show certain parts that I couldn't fix, definitely show their age. I couldn't find these little plastic pieces anywhere, so I'm going to stick with these for now until I can locate some. If anyone watching knows where I can get them, let me know. But that's it. We'll get these installed on a later date. Thanks for watching.